Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can add background video in Squarespace app on mobile. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is when you're in Squarespace, click edit button, and when you're gonna be here, you're gonna see background. So you just want to add image or video. That's like really up to you. When I'm going to add image, I can allow. I can simply choose files here, and I have a food here, right? It's going to upload, and yep, here it is. So this is how you can do it, and this is how you can add background image in Squarespace, and the same thing you can do with video here and add a video. So when I'm going to click image here, I can also make it to inset. I can make some image effects here and overlay opacity. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.